Hello everyone, I'm Fatimatul Hibayam and today I am presenting an introduction to requirements engineering. This is a fundamental topic in our software engineering course focusing on how we define exactly what a system needs to do before we start building it. In this session, we will cover the definition of requirements engineering, its benefits, and the different types of requirements. I will walk you through the complete process life cycle, discuss industry tools and challenges, and we will look at a practical real life example to see these concepts in action. So, what is requirement engineering or RE? It is the systematic process of defining, documenting, and maintaining the requirements for a software system. As defined by the IEEE, a requirement is a condition or capability needed by a user to solve a problem. Think of requirement engineering as the bridge in the SDLC. It connects the vague needs of a client to the technical precision required by the developers. Why is this so important? Industry data shows that poor requirements are the number one cause of project failure. By investing in requirement engineering, we reduce risk by catching misunderstandings early, prevent scope creep, and ensure that the final product actually delivers value to the stakeholders. It saves both time and money in the long run. We generally categorize requirements into two main pillars, functional and non-functional requirements. Functional requirements are the core features, the what. For example, in an online shopping system, a functional requirement is the user shall be able to add an item to the cart. Non-functional requirements are the quality attributes, the how. Using the same shopping example, the cart must update in less than 2 seconds. This ensures the system is not just working but performing at the level that keeps users happy. The requirement engineering process is a cycle. It begins with elicitation, then analysis, then specification, then validation, and then management, requirement management. The elicitation, which is the discovery phase, here we use techniques like stakeholder interviews, surveys, brainstorming workshops, and even building early prototypes to uncover what the users truly need, even if they can't express it technically. Once we have the data, we move to the analysis and negotiation. We look at the feasibility. Can we actually build this within the budget? We prioritize features and negotiate with stakeholders to resolve any conflicting requirements, ensuring everyone agrees on the final project scope. The result of our work is documented in the Software Requirement Specification or SRS. This is the formal contract for the project. It details the purpose, functional specs, performance constraints, and acceptance criteria. If a feature isn't in the SRS, it shouldn't be in the final build. Validation is our quality check. Is the requirement clear, complete, and testable? After validation, we move to management. Requirements aren't static, they change. We use a traceability metrics to link requirements to code and tests, ensuring that every change is tracked and justified. In the real world, we deal with ambiguous specs and shifting priorities. To manage these, we use tools like Jira for tracking, IBM DOS for complex systems, and Trello for collaboration. Let's revisit our online shopping case study. Beyond adding items to a cart, we need the functional features like secure payment and product search. But we also need non-functional functional attributes like PCI, DSS, compliance for security, and 99.5% uptime to handle high traffic sales events. To wrap up, follow these best practices. Involve users early and often. Use visual models like wireframes to so stakeholders can see what they are getting. Most importantly, adopt an agile requirement engineering approach. Be iterative, collaborative, and ready to adapt to the changes as the project evolves. In conclusion, requirements engineering is the bedrock of every successful software project. Clarity wins over complexity every time. Mastering requirement thinking is an essential skill for every software engineer. Thank you for your time today. If you have any questions, I had be happy I would be happy to discuss them in the comments.